This is myself, right? It's 227. I thought that before I get out any of the court documents or anything that I have, there was probably some misunderstanding about exactly how the software that I have on my cell phone, yes, how it works. Some of the documents you're able to put comments on. You can draw on them, or you can put stamps like sign here, yes, or sign here. And I didn't get to all the documents, but I thought we would look at the concept of the United States District Courts. Yes. Now, there's a consent order granting substitution of attorney. Yeah. Now, you would sign right there. And then there's a plaintiff and a defendant. You could sign right there in the state of Washington. Yes. hmm Then there's that district court case number I had emailed. Well, I didn't get through all of them, but I think probably 3 to 4 thousand emails on August 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, and then there's numerous others that I'm somewhat sure of. Yes. But to assign a case number for my court hearing, it's not an arraignment because it's an accusation of a criminal complaint. Yes. Where the judge is going to hear myself as the accused. Now, there's the concept of the defendant, and then there's the concept of the accused. An accusation, it means that you're accused of two criminal complaints. Right. One is violating the restraint provisions of a protection order. Yes. And the other is emailing some sort of lewd or lascivious email to the petitioner or the minors named. Yeah. Or attempting to contact them through a third party where the email is very derogatory. Now, if you did read the August 10th email that I emailed to those in law enforcement wanting to know about why there was a docketed hearing for August 21st of 2017, you won't find a lot of lewd or lascivious language in that email. In fact, since the prosecuting attorney decided to keep to themselves the actual email because I'm the accused, I'm not the defendant, there's a big question about notice is hereby given subject by subject to approval by the court. Yes. To substitute. Now I put a big sign here. The name of the new attorney. Yes. State bar number. I put the sign there too. Yeah. Now let's say the state bar does know that you appointed counsel to me for the two-count criminal complaint without my rights being read to me. Yes. Without anybody in law enforcement investigating the criminal complaint as if they believed that it was true. Right. And you're the sheriff, and you say, well, this is cyber stalking right now. Now, for every bar association that has an obligation to make sure that the rights of the accused, see, there's accused, suspect, defendant, pow, 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 pow. Just putting your bar association number on there, Jack, yeah, without me being read my rights, yes, even though I'm homeless, okay, even though I don't have any money, yeah. I'm the named accused, and the Washington state, the people of the state are accusing me of a two-count criminal complaint. Now, when I emailed approximately 3 to 4 thousand email addresses wanting to know, you would have thought that somebody, yes, would have contacted Jefferson County and said, well, did Paul get arrested and we weren't aware of it? Ouch. Did somebody arrest him in Port Angeles, Washington? Because There's a jurisdictional question. Okay. Let's say you committed a crime, in Brennan, Washington. Exactly who is it that does the questioning? If you have the right to remain silent, yes. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney, yes. If you cannot afford one, one will be provided to you. You have the right to have that attorney when being questioned. Yes. Now, as I've thought about the criminal complaint that the deputy prosecuting attorney is using to cause me to have to go to court tomorrow, I really like them because you could go to court if you had been summoned because you can't use the last known address. You can't just say, well, we mailed him notice of it and we send it to 123 0000. I like it because I could appear in court, and a lot of individuals that have this experience, they would say, well, actually, Judge, I am guilty. You got no fucking. Now I know that the prosecuting attorney just said, well, he's crazy. Well, actually, I provided the evidence yesterday. I wasn't in Brendan. Yeah. Now, these sign here's, yes, the new attorney that's going to be named representing me in this court case, yes. Let's say I called Jack and I fired him. I said, Jack, listen, I really am not very happy with the counsel that you provided. And I recognize you were my appointed counsel and there was no legal obligation on the part of Jefferson County. I got it.